Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video is a simple tutorial on how to cut and join your ashoke for head tie. To start off the tutorial, you want to cut your ashoke into 3 or 4 depending on if it's going to be enough to cut about 2.5 yards in length 3 or 4 times. The one I'm working with already came pre-cut, but it is 2.5 yards in length each, and I'm having 3 pieces. So now let's begin with the sewing process. The trick is to place one edge on top of the other. If you want to pin this, you can pin in place, but I'm comfortable doing it freehand. So you want to place one edge slightly above the next piece, and then take that to your sewing machine and sew it in place. Sew very close to the edge. After sewing, this is what it should look like. Now you want to go ahead and repeat the same process for the next layer, placing this top piece on top of the next piece. You don't want to place it under, you want to place it on top. The same placement for the first layer is what you want to repeat again for the next layer. Then take it to your sewing machine and sew along the edge. Place along the edge and sew along the edge. Now you want to equal out the edge and then double fold and sew along the edge of the fold. Since this ashoke is not having a front or back panel, the fold automatically determines the wrong side. So now you want to repeat the double folding for the other edge of the ashoke. So the side with the hem is now the back piece, and then the plain smooth side is now the front piece of the ashoke. This is what the ashoke is looking like so far. So you might come across holes like this that were not sewn in place. All you have to do is just place it and then take it to your sewing machine and stitch it back in place. And that's it for this simple tutorial, guys. Thank you for watching. I really hope this was useful to you. Make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Bye.